Let's do a point exercise to help you prepare for pirouettes on point. First of all, take your fifth position. We're going to do plie, sous, coupe, lower down. Plie, sous, coupe, lower through fifth. Plie, coupe, right away. Passe, and then switch sides. Let's try together. 5, 6, 7, and plie, sous, coupe, through fifth. Plie, sous, try to cushion your landing, cross your fifth. Plie, straight to coupe this time. Lift to passe. And close derriere, other side. Plie, sous, coupe, down. Plie, sous, coupe, down. Right away to coupe this time, all the way to passe. And let's reverse from the back. Plie, sous, coupe, sous. Plie, sous, coupe, sous. Plie, coupe, right away to passe. Coupe, and other side. Plie, sous, coupe, sous. Plie, sous, stay pulled up. Sous, straight away to coupe. 3, 4, transfer your weight quicker than I did there. And finish. Good job.